Hello everyone. So here is the 1.15 update of the WorldGen infinite terrain system. So here I have added these moving water waves on the shoreline. So here as you can see, this water line is actually moving with the waves to represent waves. If I speed up, you can see it faster, but you can customize the speed, but I wanted to keep it subtle here. So you can see, and also not just that, you can see this wet area on the beach is also here, and you can customize that too. And in addition to that, if I go underwater, now globally this post process is applied, so you can see this underwater like camera effect applied while you are underwater, and also you can see some distortion or wobbling also happening as well. So yeah, those are the new things that added to the system. And you can see these white water forms that appear whenever it is closer, water surface is closer to another object. So not just the beach, whatever the rocks or anything you place. So yeah, those are the new things. And in addition to that, all other systems that we worked on are still there. So here you can see over there is a dry desert like zone, and here this tropical like zone, and a snowy mountain zone. So as you remember, depending on the biome, you can assign different foliage as well. Now here in the desert you can see the cactus, and in the tropical area you see like different kinds of trees. So yeah, all those things are there. Now let me show you the different parameters that comes with this update. So here you can see, if I select the world streaming manager, you can see underwater section. Here you can enable this subdivide water. So if you don't need this waves effect, you don't need to subdivide the water plane, so you can disable that. If you do that, there will be only one. It wouldn't have subsections on the plane. It would be just a single quad, which is great for performance in case you don't need that. But if you want waves with across the shoreline, then you would have to enable this subdivide water, and you can decide this water cell size depending on that, how big these different sections that moves independently to show the waves would be decided. And in addition to that, I have added this material parameter collection. Oh, before that, we have this wet zone offset. This is what defines how far away from the waterline this wetness on the sand is applied. So you can optimize this. And also, if you go inside the material, here you have this parameter that says wave scale and wave height. So everything is there as parameters. You can change them here as well. So yeah, those are there for you to customize. And this material parameter collection, only right now it only has this water level set, which is used by the post process material that I have applied here, which drives the underwater effect. Here is the post process material, and it's using this material parameter collection and camera underwater, which is set based on the sea level that we define in our world streaming manager, based on the sea level that is dynamically changed. So yeah, those are the new things added in this update. And WorldGen is available in my in Fab. I'll leave the link in description below. And all these changes are available in the map, example map with the roads as well. So here is the demonstration. Let me quickly go around. So here you can see now the beach has white forms, and yeah, this is here I maintain a lower elevation across the ground, mainly to avoid complications with the road system. So I want to make improvements to the road system as well, but it might take some time. But yeah, the road system is working, but that does not mean it's perfect. There are still issues that I need to address. For example, sometimes I can see some knots that happening in the road, but most of the time it's working fine. But I would leave this as experimental feature for some time. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in another update. And I do hope to bring these updates into this planet as well and improve the water and sea, beach, everything, just like here in the WorldGen, in the planet Gen as well. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, thanks again. See you in the next video. Goodbye.